Hey there, Fun Fit Foodies. On today's video, I want to be showcasing you how to shorten your recovery time in between workouts, how to keep your training up but with less sore muscles. What can you do to help recovery time and have less sore muscles? These are some of the most frequently asked questions that I get, and I'm going to tell you how. BCAAs, honey. BCAAs shorten your recovery time. They help decrease the muscle soreness and fatigue and alleviate muscle soreness. Now, let me tell you why I use BCAAs. It increases muscle growth, and that's what we need for if you're building at your glutes, your booty. One of the most popular uses of BCAAs is to increase muscle growth. I've tried them all. They're very expensive. Look, 40 bucks, 35 bucks, another 40 bucks right there. But I love True Formula because it has your BCAA proprietary blend. Look at all that goodness right there. But it's sweetened with monk fruit, not the crap the other guys use. So check out this link and order today.